Welcome to the in front of me, CHUWI HiPad X, and I'll show you how to disable quick launch on this device. So now just by double press on power key we can see that we can launch the camera application. And if you want to turn off this feature, so let's just activate the auto rotate. And just to turn off this feature we should launch the settings application and then scroll down to the system section. Then just tap here to gestures and click to jump to camera. Now just to turn off the switcher, click here on the once on the switcher, and now by double press the power key we can see that we just can only lock the device, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.